So, my birthday mode is winding down, but business I can say is ramping up. So, let's chat if you're thinking of buying or selling. Hey, y'all, it's day 62 of my 100-day challenge. I'm easing back into the groove after celebrating my birthday. And today was a little light, right? So, we did some errands, a little rest. Y'all see, I'm in the office. I'm doing some prep work for the week ahead. So, I want to say, this is your sign if you've been thinking about buying or selling a home. Because guess what? I do have some availability this week for my one on one consultation. And this is whether you're going to buy now or just need to understand the options. I'm here for you. So I'm getting ready for a packed week, and I love to include your real estate goals in the plan. So this is from final walkthrough to closings to showings, and I do have a consultation on the book. So I'm super excited for this week. So guess what? Schedule your time. Do it now. The link is in my bio. Feel free to DM me directly if you want. But I'm ready whenever you are. So let's talk about your next move, buying, selling, or investment. Well, I'm going to get back to my prepping and I'll see y'all for day 63. Smile and be a blessing. It's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shonda McRae.